What's the meaning of agar-agar? Agar-agar. 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 Agar-agar is a jelly-like substance derived from a variety of red algae, predominantly from the species Gelidium and Gracilaria. It is commonly used as a vegetarian substitute for gelatin in desserts, such as puddings, custards, and jellies. When agar-agar is mixed with a liquid and heated, it dissolves and sets upon cooling, creating a firm and smooth texture. Agar-agar also has high gelling and stabilizing properties and is widely used in the food industry to thicken and stabilize various products, including soups, sauces, and ice cream.